Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're back in London and we're back in another village within the city. We're in Marylebone Village.
And we're starting off in Marylebone Lane, which winds round following the course of the River Tyburn, which used to run alongside it.
This is the oldest shop in Marylebone Lane. Dave Penton and Son. It's a hardware shop and ironmongers. It's been there since 1841 and it's still selling Brasso.
Now that queue of people you can see, they are queuing at one of the oldest surviving delis in London, Paul Roth and Son. It's been run by the same family since 1900 and people come from all over for their fabulous sandwiches and their famous hot soup that's made daily. Smells amazing. We're only a stone's throw away from Oxford Street and it couldn't be more different here. There's lots of independent shops tucked away in Marylebone Village and we're going to head up Marylebone Lane until we reach Marylebone High Street and see what that's like. The name Marylebone comes from a combination of the Church of St Mary and the Anglo-Saxon word burn, which means small stream, referring to the River Tyburn that I was mentioning earlier.
Now the lovely old pub on the corner here is one of the oldest local pubs in Marylebone and still a family run pub. The Golden Eagle, lovely pub. This is a much newer deli here on the left, Ottolenghi. Some lovely cakes in the window. Wow.
If anything came up in the future.
Everyone seems to be having something done in London today. We're fighting against the noise of the building works. I suppose it has to go on for the upkeep of the lovely buildings. Right, in the 18th century the area was known for some quite disreputable entertainments which took place in Marylebone Gardens, like bear baiting and bare knuckle fighting. Not much different to today, really. Have a look at that old clock on the outside of Waitrose across the road. Fantastic. Wonder if it keeps good time. There's a sign for Harley Street there. Weymouth Street is where the famous Harley Street Clinic is.
Coming up on the left is Daunt Bookshop, and it's got a really ornate shop front, all in wood. It's absolutely gorgeous. I do love a bookshop.
I heard him coming. I didn't realise he was going to plough me down on the way to deliver a hamburger. But there you go.
Did you do this training any other time?
Another lovely old pub on the corner here, the Prince Regent. Some great architecture again. Love all the buildings around Marylebone, really impressive.
We hope you've enjoyed our short walk in Marylebone Village, giving you an idea of how London is not just all about the big city.
Yes, thanks for joining us today. Please remember, tell your friends, subscribe and share the channel, and perhaps we'll come to a town or village or city near you soon. Take care.